What's up guys, Dad and Rose here, and today we have ourselves a pack opening with the 50k packs. Okay, so first off, this isn't my actual squad, it just wouldn't load on my phone, so I had to film it on my iPad, which doesn't have a very good squad, but I transferred my money onto this thing. Okay, let's get right into this pack opening. First pack, please EA. I'm begging you. I normally get good packs. Yes, Benzema. He sells for like 30k. What a great start. Anyone else? Nope. Wilshere. He was in form the other week. Okay, second pack. Please. Please, EA. One matter. I got excited from the 85 rating, but he's only worth like 10k, which is insane for his rating. Yeah. And Godin. Okay. Third pack. Who can we get? Not gonna look. Hopefully it's open by now. And we get Howders. Get out of here. Okay. Fourth pack. We're not gonna do another no look pack because that was horrible. We're gonna skip. Chiellini. He is good. He is good. And Pogba. Yes, two Juventus people in the same pack. That is good. That's very good. Okay. Second to last pack. Who are we gonna get? Come on. Oh, Inform Welbeck. He goes for 25k, I think, if I'm correct. And Leno, get rid of that. Oh, come on. Last pack, please. No look. Hopefully I'll redeem myself. Okay, it should be open by now. Oh, yes! Yes! Yes, we got Royce! We got Royce! Yes! Oh! Oh, yes! The last pack. The last pack lock. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes! What a pull. Oh! Yes! That is such a good pull for the last pack. Normally last packs are horrible. But now, we just got Royce. The guy I named my channel after. Yes. That is good. Okay, now let's list these guys up. Probably just gonna list them up for a bit under their retail price. Okay, so I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and if you want more pack openings or I can start a new series or whatever, just leave your suggestions in the comment box because I'll read all the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tune in next time for possibly another pack opening. See ya!